Hi, you're on the CarTools channel. Let's check out the new selection of products. Links to all products are in the description below the video. Transform your smartphone or PC into a high-end car diagnostic tool with the OBDLink MX plus OBD2 Bluetooth scanner. Ideal for automotive enthusiasts, it's compatible with an array of apps like ForScan, Torque, and Bimmer Code, offering unparalleled vehicle insights. Enjoy extensive OEM support across major brands including Ford, GM, and Toyota, allowing you to access detailed data like ABS and TPMS. With its ability to clear the check engine light and safeguard against overvoltage, this scanner is essential for maintaining vehicle health and performance. The E-HEELP electric car jack kit is a game changer for vehicle maintenance, offering a 5-ton hydraulic lift capacity suitable for a wide range of vehicles from sedans to trucks. With its efficient design, it can elevate your car to its maximum height of 17.7 inches in under 2 minutes. This kit not only simplifies tire changes with its dual power supply options and built-in tire inflator, but also includes a portable electric impact wrench for quick and effortless lug nut removal. The BLACK+DECKER WP 906-inch orbital car polisher is your go-to tool for achieving a flawless finish on your car or boat. Its random orbit action ensures a uniform, swirl-free polish at a brisk 4,400 orbits per minute. Designed with comfort in mind, the two-handle layout minimizes fatigue during extended use. The 10-foot cord provides ample mobility, making it easy to navigate around your vehicle. This polisher comes equipped with a foam applicator, perfect for applying wax or polish with ease. The Maxsa 20,333 CB Escaper Buddy traction mats are a must-have for any off-road adventure, providing reliable traction for vehicles stuck in mud, sand, or snow. Each mat in this 2-pack measures 48 inches in length and 14.5 inches in width, making them among the largest and heaviest available, ensuring superior ground coverage and stability. Designed with raised tracks to prevent tire spin and equipped with ergonomic handles for easy transport. These mats function in extreme temperatures, ranging from -15 degrees Celsius. The ANCEL S3000 PRUVEEO Automotive Smoke Machine is a top-tier diagnostic tool designed for professional and efficient vehicle leak detection. This machine is equipped with a built-in air pump and pressure gauge, making it perfect for testing leaks in vacuum, fuel, EVAP, and other car systems. With its user-friendly design, you can start detecting leaks in just 4 easy steps, and its portability allows for on-the-go diagnostics. The package includes various adapters and cap plugs to fit different lines and hoses, ensuring a seamless fit for a wide range of vehicles. The mighty cleaner Edgeless microfiber towels are a must-have for every car enthusiast, ensuring a scratch-free and efficient cleaning experience. With extra-long fur, these 12x12 towels excel in trapping and holding dust and grime, especially from those hard-to-reach areas in your car's interior. Their perfect size allows for convenient storage in your car's glove compartment or armrest, ensuring they're always within reach. The Edgeless, double-sided design enhances safety, preventing scratches on delicate surfaces. The TURNART wheel lock clamp is your ultimate solution for comprehensive vehicle protection. Engineered to withstand prying, drilling, sawing, and more, this tire lock ensures top-notch security for your car, truck, RV, or trailer. Its dual-lock design adds an extra layer of defense, making it nearly impervious to conventional theft attempts. The bright yellow finish not only enhances visibility, but also acts as a strong deterrent to potential thieves. Versatile and adaptable, it fits a range of vehicles and is ideal for various settings, from home parking to public lots, offering peace of mind wherever you are. The FrogBro 11W Cordless Soldering Iron Kit revolutionizes soldering with its cordless design, offering unmatched portability and convenience. Free yourself from tangled cords and limited reach with this ergonomic soldering pen, featuring a comfortable, non-slip TPE handle for precision work. Equipped with a high-capacity 2,500 mAh lithium-ion battery, it ensures long run times and fast heating, reaching temperatures between 392 to 968 in just 15 to 45 seconds. The USB Type-C fast charging adds to its efficiency, and the durable battery supports approximately 1,000 recharge cycles. The PLZ wireless double-DIN car stereo elevates your driving experience with cutting-edge technology and superior sound quality. This stereo seamlessly integrates with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly, ensuring effortless connection to your smartphone for navigation, music, calls, and voice commands through Siri or Google Assistant. The advanced Bluetooth 5.3 module enhances connection stability and audio clarity, complemented by dual microphones for crystal-clear calls and commands. The FEETE 16.5 FT telescoping ladder is a robust, portable solution for all your high-reaching needs. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy with a professional oxidation process, this ladder is designed for durability and longevity. It features an intelligent locking mechanism for easy height adjustment, ensuring safety and stability with a capacity of up to 330 pounds. The collapsible design, complete with a storage belt and carrying handle, makes it perfect for space-saving storage and easy transport. Certified to EN 131 safety standards, it boasts a solid structure with anti-skid caps and ultra-wide steps for secure climbing, making it ideal for household, outdoor work, or RV use. The HIDOTOL titanium combination drill and tap bit set is an essential toolkit for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Made from high-speed steel, these bits offer excellent wear resistance and cutting performance, enhanced by a titanium coating that extends their lifespan by preventing heat buildup. This 13-piece set, including both SAE and metric sizes, is perfect for a variety of tasks such as drilling, tapping, and deburring on materials like wood, plastic, soft metals, and more. The 1/4-inch hex shank ensures compatibility with most power tools, providing high efficiency and convenience. The KGDHjuei Car HUD Head-Up Display P6 offers a safer and more innovative driving experience by projecting crucial driving data, such as speed, directly into the driver's line of sight. This allows you to keep your eyes on the road without the need to glance down at traditional gauges, minimizing distractions and potential accidents. It features 10 interchangeable interfaces, including an LCD meter, fault code clearing, and data streaming capabilities. With 2 installation options, either on the dashboard or the windshield, it provides flexibility and ease of use without permanent alterations to your vehicle. The WTTTOOLS Handheld 1000 WMX laser cleaning machine is a state-of-the-art solution for efficient and eco-friendly cleaning tasks. Equipped with a powerful MLVOC laser source and a wide 160 mm scanning width, this device offers a remarkable cleaning efficiency of 1545 square meters/, making it ideal for removing rust, oil, and coatings from metal surfaces. The machine operates on a 220V single-phase power supply and features a continuous /modulation laser type with up to 20 kHz modulation frequency. Its 32 feet cable, extendable to 49 feet, ensures flexibility in operation, while the water cooling method with a 16 liters tank guarantees optimal performance. The AMPRI Research PowerStep plug-and-play system is designed to enhance the accessibility of your 2017, 2019 Chevrolet Silverado or GMC Sierra 2000, 500 HD/3000, 500 HD, diesel crew cab/double cab. These automatic, electric-powered running boards deploy and retract smoothly, ensuring safe and easy entry or exit from your vehicle. Equipped with low-profile, integrated LED lighting, they provide visibility in low-light conditions. The steps feature a durable black textured finish, anodized and PTFE coated to military specifications, offering exceptional resistance to corrosion and wear. The MLVOC travel pillow is crafted from 100% pure memory foam, ensuring unparalleled neck support and comfort during your travels. Designed with an ergonomic shape to secure your neck and prevent your head from falling forward, it effectively alleviates neck pain. The adjustable rope lock allows for customization to fit various neck sizes, ensuring personalized support. The pillow is encased in a breathable, sweat-resistant cover made from a unique magnetic therapy cloth with microbeads, promising maximum comfort and easy maintenance due to its machine-washable nature. The Cacacece Car Air Freshener introduces a whimsical touch to your vehicle with its unique cartoon bear pilot design, inspired by the nostalgia and romance of retro aviation. As air flows from your car's vents, it animates the propeller, dispersing your choice of Freesia or Morning Fresh scents throughout the cabin. This fun and practical accessory not only purifies the air, but also adds a creative element to your car's interior, making it a thoughtful gift for friends and family who appreciate a blend of functionality and style in their automotive accessories. The Kelofam Larger Cup Holder Tray is a versatile 3-in-1 automotive accessory designed to enhance your in-car experience. It serves as a convenient tray for dining, a stable foam holder, and an expandable cup holder, all while adding extra storage space for essentials like keys and wallets. The 360 degrees rotating tray ensures easy access from any angle, and its detachable design means it won't permanently occupy valuable space in your vehicle. With an adjustable base that fits most car cup holders and silicone pads for a secure grip, this tray is a universal solution for any car. The PRUVEEO D94CH Dash Cam is an advanced 4-channel system designed to provide comprehensive coverage of your vehicle surroundings. Equipped with quad FHD 1000 and 80p cameras, it captures sharp and detailed footage from the front, rear, and inside of your vehicle, ensuring no moment goes unnoticed. The 150-degree wide-angle lenses and a large 3-inch LCD screen offer expansive field views, making it easier to review footage of critical moments. This dash cam comes with built-in GPS that accurately tracks your vehicle's location, speed, and route, providing essential data for navigation, roadside assistance, or insurance claims. The inclusion of a 128 GB card ensures ample storage for your recordings. The AUTOOL Car Spark Plug Tester is an essential tool for automotive maintenance, enabling you to assess the performance and ignition intensity of spark plugs efficiently. With dual spark plug sockets, it allows for simultaneous comparison and testing, making it easier to identify and replace faulty spark plugs promptly. Designed with safety in mind, it includes a protective cover to shield you from electric shock during testing. The FloTool 11909 ABMI RhinoRamp offers a sturdy and efficient solution for home garage vehicle maintenance. These portable ramps are designed with durability in mind, ensuring safe and easy access to your vehicle's underside. Their compact and nestable design optimizes storage space in your garage. Equipped with a Core 2RAC non-skid base, these ramps significantly minimize the risk of slippage, enhancing safety during use. The 17-degree incline is specially crafted to accommodate low-clearance vehicles, making it versatile for a wide range of automobiles. With a robust 12,000-pound GVW capacity, these ramps are suitable for vehicles with tire widths up to 9 inches, providing a reliable platform for various maintenance tasks. Enhance your driving experience with Govee Car LED Lights, offering smart control and dynamic lighting options to personalize your vehicle's interior. With the Govee Home app, tap into DIY mode to select from 16 million colors and create custom light effects that reflect your style. Music mode brings your car to life, syncing the LED lights with your favorite tunes for an immersive audio-visual experience. Convenient app control allows you to adjust colors and brightness effortlessly, ensuring a vibrant yet comfortable journey. The two lines design ensures a neat installation in any car model, avoiding messy wires and maintaining your car's sleek look. The Prokomon heavy-duty metal nut splitter set is a robust tool designed to tackle the toughest nuts, ideal for removing corroded or damaged nuts without harming the bolt threads. Crafted from high-grade bearing steel, these nut splitters boast exceptional sharpness, rust resistance, and longevity, making them perfect for use in machinery maintenance and DIY projects. The set is straightforward to use. Simply rotate the tool on the target nut, possibly with the aid of a wrench for extra leverage. The boen 1/2 drive metric deep impact socket set is a comprehensive collection of 20 car V-steel sockets ranging from 10 mm to 24 mm, designed for durability and high performance. Crafted from heat-treated, forged chrome vanadium alloy, these sockets are built to withstand the high torque of impact tools, making them ideal for various projects. The set features a black manganese phosphate coating, offering superior corrosion and rust resistance for long-lasting use. The AEA Gear 2 Pack 3/8 in bolt-on grab hook mount is a robust and reliable addition to your loader, tractor bucket, RV, UTV, or truck. As an American company, we understand the needs and standards of our customers, offering top-notch American quality. Our commitment to your satisfaction is reflected in our lifetime guarantee on all AVA gear products. These grade 70 grab hooks are crafted from engineered material, undergoing a rigorous multi-stage process to meet the highest demands. The DEPSTECH Industrial Endoscope is a high-performance inspection tool designed for accessing hard-to-reach areas with ease. Its 5.5 mm ultra-thin probe, devoid of the need for Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, allows for effortless navigation through tight spaces, making it ideal for industrial machinery checks, automotive repairs, pipeline inspections, and more. The device boasts a 4.3-inch LCD screen for direct observation, eliminating the complexity of additional devices. The Cacacece inflatable SUV air mattress transforms your vehicle into a cozy sleeping space, perfect for camping, road trips, or any outdoor adventure. Crafted from thick, skin-friendly flocking and premium PVC, this mattress offers exceptional durability, waterproofing, and comfort. Its unique design includes a head block for added safety against bumps and collisions. Featuring 6 separate air chambers, the mattress provides versatile inflation options, allowing for full inflation for multiple users or partial inflation for single use, adapting to the space in your SUV. With a remarkable weight capacity of 600 pounds, it comfortably accommodates 2 to 3 adults, ensuring a restful sleep for the entire family. The Hypersonic Vehicle Power Handle is a sleek and stylish steering wheel spinner that enhances both the appearance and functionality of your car's steering wheel. Designed with quality and comfort in mind, this knob allows for effortless driving, making it an ideal accessory for those with back issues, shoulder or arm discomfort, or anyone who spends long hours behind the wheel. The easy installation process ensures a secure fit on steering wheels with diameters between 1 and 1.2, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles including cars, trucks, tractors, and boats. The Egofine 46 pieces 1/4 inch drive socket ratchet wrench set is a comprehensive toolkit crafted from high-grade chrome vanadium steel alloy, ensuring durability, strength, and resistance to wear. The set's mirror chrome finish not only adds to its aesthetic appeal, but also enhances its longevity. It includes a versatile range of 21-bit sockets, 13 metric sockets ranging from 4 mm to 14 mm, and a quick ratchet handle for efficient fastening and loosening operations. The Saker Mini Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile 3-in-1 device designed for comprehensive cleaning in cars, offices, and homes. This compact cleaner offers multifunctional capabilities, including blowing, vacuuming, and even pumping, making it ideal for tackling a wide range of cleaning tasks. From computer keyboards to car interiors, this vacuum's assortment of accessories ensures effective cleaning even in the most challenging crevices and surfaces. The COVEREDO car seat covers full set offers a blend of comfort and protection for your vehicle's interior. Crafted from soft velveteen cloth with flat sponge padding, these covers provide a skin-friendly and breathable seating experience. The addition of durable PVC leather on the rear seat covers enhances wear resistance and simplifies cleaning, ensuring both longevity and style. Designed for full coverage, these seat protectors shield your original seats from spills, dust, scratches, pet hair, and harmful UV rays, all while resisting fading and maintaining a gentle touch for long-term use. Thank you for watching, and please like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Also write in the comments which product you like the most. See you soon.